Hi, Chris Straub with Straub Technologies today, and this will be our second video on our LT head program. Now, this works pretty cool. If you've got a car with a set of LTs and you want to ship your heads in and we CNC port your actual head, we can do that. Or we've got an exchange program, and the cool thing about it is you actually got two options. You can do a core head that we have culled, checked, pressure tested, and the whole bit. We CNC port the exhaust, we CNC port the combustion chamber, and we CNC port the intake. It's available with 3 spring options, starting with a Beehive that's good for 570 lift, which is the GM Performance spring, or we can go to a 630 Beehive spring, or we've got a dual spring assembly that's good up to 660 lift. So you can order the head with either of these spring combinations. As far as CNC options, we will soften the chamber if you want to soften the chamber. And as far as valve options, you can either use the OEM type valves or you can use aftermarket valves and put brand new valves in the heads. Now, to your door, this head is going to be $18.99, and that includes a $300 core charge. So if you send your heads back in, ship them to us, it knocks off $350. So you're a little over $1,400 for a set of heads CNC ported. Now, we also have, these are available in 2 different ways, whether we do it with a core or we've actually got brand new LT GM heads. So there's another choice. And when the price I just gave you is with brand new heads. So if we do the core charge and stuff, you're literally around $1,300 if you want a reconditioned factory core head, and you're around that $1,450 if you want a brand new cylinder head. And then, hey, if you want to keep your castings, it's only $350, which you've already paid. So if you want to do that, so you got a second set of heads, you're more than welcome to. We've got these in 5.3 and we've got them in 6.2. We've got flow numbers on the website, but I can tell you James Goad, Reaper, in his 5.3 pickup truck, dynoed the motor, took the OEM heads, non-ported, didn't change anything else, put our factory ported 5.3 heads on, and gained 60 horsepower at the rear wheels in a turbo boosted application. So that's 60 horsepower, that's with the stock LT valve sizes. Didn't change anything else, just our CNC port work in our valve spring combination. So if you've got that LT and you're wanting more power out of it, visit us at straubtechnologies.com and get those LT heads ordered, because guess what? We've got them on the shelf ready to go. Remember, at Straub Technologies, we don't build engines, we build combinations. Hi, Chris Straub with Straub Technologies today, and this will be our second video.